Me?
Yes.
You guys staying? That's all. Staying, not getting evicted. Waking up on Sunday with you guys still here. That's pretty much it. And if there's more charity activities.
Mm.
So,
Hmm?
that's all. Ikaw ba?
I'm finding something to look forward to. Siguro, spending time with you guys talaga.
Mm. Boto na kayong lahat. Save Asper, please. Asper ba final nyo?
Easy.
As well.
Ano?
Please. Save Asper.
Parang hirap nun kasi